So dear students, today we will start the next chapter, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Chapter is alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols, phenols and ethers, this is the next chapter. So first we have to define what is the meaning of that alcohol, what is the meaning of that phenol and ether, what are their formula, and regarding that common names, IUPAC names of these compounds, how these compounds they have been derived, what are their classification. So first we have to derive what is the meaning of that alcohols. Alcohols are alkyl derivative of water, alkyl derivative of water or hydroxyl derivative of alkane. Alcohols are the alkyl derivative of water, or hydroxyl derivative of alkane. So how this that is obtained? HOH, that is the formula for that water. So this hydrogen atom that is replaced by minus H plus R. This hydrogen atom that is replaced by that R, the formula is ROH. That is the formula for that alcohol. Then RH, that is the formula for that alkane. RH, that is the formula for that alkane, and alkane, that is minus H plus OH, hydroxyl derivative. That is the formation of ROH. Hydroxyl derivative of alkane, or that is alkyl derivative of water. Hydrogen atom of water that is replaced by that R. H that is replaced by that R. Therefore, the formula is ROH. Or you can take RH. RH, that is the formula for that alkane. RH, that is the formula for that alkane. So this hydrogen atom that is replaced by that OH group, that is hydroxyl derivative. That is the formation of ROH. So these are the formula for that alcohol, and these alcohols are named as alkanols, that ends in -ol. Similarly, if we will take, that is aromatic alcohols, phenols. So these are the aryl derivative. So that is hydroxyl derivative of benzene. Hydroxyl derivative of benzene. So benzene, that is having the formula this one, this is the formula for that benzene. Hydrogen atom that is replaced by, that is minus H plus OH, that is the formation of, that is phenol. That is aromatic alcohols. That is aromatic hydroxyl derivative of benzene, that is aromatic alcohols. Either this hydrogen atom is removed, or even if the two hydrogen atoms that may be removed, two hydrogen atoms may be removed to form dihydroxy derivative OH, meta position OH, or we can take, that is two OH group at the para position, or 3 OH group, 3 hydrogen atom that may be replaced by that 3 OH group. So how to define that alcohols? Alcohols are the alkyl derivative of water or hydroxyl derivative of alkane. We have given that example, and alcohols are named as alkanols. Next one, how to get that? These are the aliphatic alcohols. Next we will get that aromatic alcohols, that is phenols. Aromatic alcohols, that is phenols. Hydroxyl derivative of benzene, or aryl derivative of that is water, So this hydrogen atom that will get replaced by that OH group. These are the formula. Next we will see what are this naming of these compounds, what are the different types and their naming. Next one, types of alcohols. So depending upon the number of OH groups that has been attached, that may be monohydric, dihydric or trihydric. So depending upon the number of OH groups, that may be monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, monohydric, dihydric or trihydric. Monohydric means that the presence of one OH groups. Dihydric means that the presence of two OH groups. Trihydric means that the presence of three OH groups. So if we will cite the examples of this kind, that is CH3, OH, C2H5, OH, or we can take CH3, CH, OH, or that is CH3C. Or you can take the examples of that phenol, OH, ortho, meta, para, so these are the compounds that contain only one OH group. These are the compounds that contain only one OH group. The first compound, methanol. Alcohols are named as alkanols, methanol. So that contain one carbon atom, that is methanol. Methanol, methyl alcohol. C2H5OH, that is ethanol. Ethanol, that is ethyl alcohol. So the third compound, 1, 2, 3, propane, that contain OH group at the second position, that is alkanol, propanol. Propan, 1, 2, 3, propan, propan-2-ol. Propan-2-ol. OH group is present at the position 2, propan-2-ol. Next compound, 1, 2, 3, that 2-methyl, propan-2-ol. 2-methyl, propan-2-ol. That is 2-methyl propan-2-ol. And if we will take this, the formula for that, that is OH, phenol. Phenol, that is known as carbolic acid. Phenol, benzene that contain one OH group, that is phenol, that is otherwise known as carbolic acid. So there is the presence of OH group and CH3. In all these cases, there is the presence of one OH group in the benzene, that is aromatic alcohols. Aromatic alcohols. So first one phenol, second one that is cresol, O-cresol, ortho-cresol, O-cresol, M-cresol, and this is the P-cresol. P-cresol. In all these cases, there is the presence of one number of OH group, orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. And in this case also, there is the presence of one OH group, that is monohydric, and the compound is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, otherwise known as picric acid, 2, 4, 6 trinitrophenol, that is picric, that is known as picric acid. Picric acid. So this is the carbolic acid. One question is there, which acid, although devoid of that carboxylic acid COH group, but that is acidic nature, phenol. phenol, otherwise known as carbolic acid, there is no such COH group, no such CH group. Picric acid, no such COH group, but that is acidic nature. This is carbolic acid, this is your picric acid, there is no such COH group, but that is acidic nature. This one, phenol, that is treated as, that is carbolic acid, and that is 2,4-C-tynidophenol, otherwise known as picric acid. And these are the cresol, O cresol, whenever the compound that contain OH group and CH3 group, that is known as cresol. If that is present at ortho position, then that is ortho O cresol, 1,2, ortho 1,3, meta 1,4, that is para. So this is regarding, that is monohydric, next we go for that dihydric, CH2, OH, bond CH2, OH, that is the formula for that dihydric, that the presence of that two number of OH group. But same carbon atom can never have that more than one number of OH group. That compound will be unstable and that is stabilized by the loss of water molecule. So these two OH group must be present at two different carbon atoms. Or if we take CH3, CH, OH, bond CH3, or CH2, that is OH. Or we can take CH2OH, bond CH2, OH. All the examples of that dihydric alcohols, because they are the presence of that two number of OH group. Or in aryl compounds, that is aromatic alcohols, that is phenols, two OH group are there at the ortho position or at the meta position or at the para position. Two number of OH group that must be present at the ortho or 1,2 ortho, 1,3 meta, 1,4 that is para position. Then how to name these compounds? All the other examples of that dihydric alcohols, dihydric, that the presence of two number of OH group. Then how to name this compound? 1,2, that is named as ethane, 1,2-diol. Ethane 1,2-diol, ethane, two carbon atoms, 1,2-diol, that is known as glycol. Common name is glycol. 1, 2, 3, propane, 1,2-diol. In this case, 1, 2, 3, propane, 1,3-diol. Propane 1, 2, 3, propane 1,3-diol. And if we take the case of that two OH group at ortho position or at meta position, so whenever there is the presence of two OH group at the ortho position, it is known as catechol. At the meta position, resorcinol, and the meta position, that is quinol. Two OH groups at the 1, 2 position, ortho position, catechol, 1, 3 position, resorcinol, 1, 4 position, that is quinol. So this is regarding, that is dihydric alcohols. Next we will go for that trihydric alcohols, CH2OH, bond CHOH, bond CH2OH. So if we will take the common names and IUPAC name of this compound, 1, 2, 3, that is propane. This compound, that is propane, 1, 2, 3, propane, 1, 2, 3, triol, 1, 2, 3, 1, all, 2, all, 3, all. That is propane 1, 2, 3 triol, that is known as glycerol. Common name is glycerol. These are the examples of that trihydric alcohols. All the examples of that trihydric alcohols. trihydric, then the presence of that 3 number of OH group. So propane, chain of the 3 carbon atom, 1 all, 2 all, 3 all, propane 1, 2, 3 triol, that is otherwise known as glycerol, common name. If we will take the example of that aromatic containing 3 number of OH group, 1, 2, 3 position, that is known as pyra gallol. So these are the first type we have explained regarding the first type of classification. First type of classification we have given, that is regarding the types of the alcohols, monohydric, dihydric, trihydric. All they are the classification. All the set, the first set that is the example of that monohydric, second set that is the example of the dihydric, and third set that is the example of that trihydric alcohols. Dihydric means that the presence of only one OH group, dihydric means that the presence of 2 OH group, trihydric means that the presence of 3 number of OH group. So the OH group that may be present in aliphatic or aromatic alcohols are known as phenols. Aromatic alcohols are known as phenols. Phenol, that is benzene that contain OH, but all the examples of that phenols. Because the OH group that may occur at ortho position, para position, etc. So this is regarding the first type of classification. Types, first one, that is monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, etc. Second type of classification of the monohydric alcohols, depending upon the degree of the carbon atom to which it has been attached. So depending upon the degree of the carbon atom to which the OH group is attached, that may be primary alcohol, second alcohol, or tertiary alcohol. So second type of classification, that is primary, secondary, or that is tertiary. Primary alcohol, second alcohol, or tertiary alcohol, depending upon the degree of the carbon atom to which the OH group is attached. For example, CH3, CH2, OH group is attached to that carbon atom which is directly linked to one carbon, 1 degree. OH group is attached to 1 degree carbon atom. What for this is 1 degree? Because this carbon atom is directly linked to one carbon atom. Or if we will take, that is CH3, CH2, CH2, OH, etc. OH group is directly linked to this carbon atom, and this carbon atom is directly linked to one carbon atom. Therefore, this is 1 degree alcohol, and all the examples of that primary alcohols. Then how to define that secondary alcohol? OH group is attached to that carbon atom, OH group is attached to that carbon atom which is directly linked to another 2 carbon atom. OH group is linked to that carbon atom which is directly linked to another 2 carbon atom. Therefore, this carbon atom is 2 degree and the alcohol is secondary alcohol. Similarly, tertiary, OH group is attached to that carbon atom which is directly linked to, OH group is attached to that carbon atom which is directly linked to another 3 carbon atom. This carbon atom is 3 degree and the alcohol is, that is tertiary. So this is the second type of classification, depending upon the degree of the carbon atom to which the OH group is attached. Next one, next we will see, that is the types of, depending upon the types of hybridization of the carbon atom to which the OH group is attached. CH2, OH group is attached to that carbon atom which is sp2 hybridized. This carbon atom, that is sp2 hybridized. This carbon atom, that is sp2 hybridized. Third type of classification, depending upon the hybridization of the carbon atom. hybridization of the carbon atom to which the OH group that has been attached. Similarly, that is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Cyclohexanol, that is sp3 hybridized carbon atom. So, depending upon the that is hybridization of the carbon atom to which the OH group that has been attached, that may be attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Here the examples where the OH group is attached to that sp2 hybridized carbon atom, where there is the chance of resonance, lone pair electron will come to the bond and this bond may be shifted to this atom. Lone pair electron will come to the bond, this bond will be shifted to next atom. So, lone pair electron will be shifted to bond and next bond will be shifted to next atom. There is a chance of resonance, there is a chance of development of carbon oxygen double bond characteristics. So, this is the OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Next one, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. There is no chance, conjugation. No conjugation means there is no chance of resonance. So, lone pair of electron that is present over this oxygen atom, but this oxygen atom which contain the lone pair of electron that is not in conjugation. Therefore, no resonance. Always this is the carbon oxygen bond, that is single bond, but in this case there is a chance of, that is carbon oxygen double bond characteristics. So, in this case also OH group that is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, benzyl, this is your benzyl alcohol, cyclohexanol. So, in all these cases the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In all these cases the carbon atom sp2 hybridized which contain the OH group. So, in this case there is the chance of resonance, development of carbon oxygen double bond characteristics, double bond strength, the carbon oxygen bond characteristics that will increase, but these are the carbon oxygen single bond character. So, today we have already discussed regarding what are alcohols, what are their classification. So, in the coming class we will go for the regarding the methods of preparation of this preparation and properties of alcohols.